Hi, we are back with another crazy Christmas style. So today we're using tinsel to do some braids. So start off by placing the front of the hair in a little elastic. Choose your colour. I went for finer tinsel this year. So use a topsy tail and just push that through. Then you're going to get 2 bits of tinsel and just gently pull that through the hair, just making sure that it's even on both sides. And once you hit the middle, you're going to start a normal Dutch braid. So break the hair into 3. And then you're going to add a piece of tinsel to each strand of hair. So every strand of hair has got a piece of tinsel in it. Then you're just going to start a regular Dutch braid by just adding in those sections of hair. But what you want to try and do as you go is make sure that the tinsel's sitting on top. So sometimes you'll see me just kind of moving the hair and the tinsel, and I'm just trying to make that tinsel really pop at the top of the braid. You're going to work your way all the way down until all the hair's added in. And then you're going to do a regular braid. And if the tinsel's longer than the hair, that's great. You can carry on braiding. You don't have to stop when the hair runs out. And then you're just going to keep braiding, making sure that tinsel is sitting on the top so you can see as much colour as possible. You go all the way down and then just tie the tinsel at the ends and cut so it looks a bit neater. So on the other side, we decided to do different colours, but you could just stick to the same colours, that's fine. Little Phoebe was loving this style. She kept on looking at herself in the mirror. It's so cute. So again, you're just adding that hair in, making sure the tinsel is staying on the top, all the way down the hair to the nape of the neck. And then again, you'll just continue that braid down. You can see that I'm just working that tinsel so you can see it. And then this is the finished result. So little Phoebe is going to do a little spin here for us. She's looking in the mirror again. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.